First of all, we have to discuss about company database. Now you have to see the what are the tables in the company database. To see the what are the tables, select command, select star from EMP. Oh, now we have to set the page size. Line size. Now we have to select star from EMP. This is the table, employee table, department table. Select star from DEPT. This is the department table. The columns are DEPTNO, DNAME, location. Now we have to see the next table. Select star from sal grade. These are the three tables included in the company database. Now we have to work with the sum of the topics, sum of the queries. There firstly select list employee number, employee names and salary. Select employee number, employee name and salary from EMP. These are the employee numbers, employee names and salary which are included in the employee table. Next we have to see the second query. List all clerks in department number 30. Now we have to collect the number 30 who are in the department number 30. So name and job, department number from EMP, where job equal to clerk, DEPTNO equal to only one member who is the name James and his job is clerk and department number is 30. Select command is used to retrieve the names of specific columns. Where condition is used to check the conditions. From which table we are getting the data. Next we have to see next query. List the employee names whose salary is between 2000 and 3000. Now what is the query? Select employee name, salary from EMP, where we have to take this to sal greater than or equal to 2000 and sal less than or equal to 3000. Now these are the employee names who have the salaries in between 2000 and 3000. Now we are working with another query. List employee names which begin with the letter S. Now what is the query? The query is select employee name, which is the column name as ename, from EMP, where ename manaki like yes percentage. These are the two employees with starting name is S. Now we have to working with another query. List employee names who have joined in the month of Jan. Who are the employees joined in the month of January. So what is the query? Select ename to_care of. We have to discuss another time what is the toChar function. After completing this query, we have to discuss about what is the toChar function. Here date comma month, it is in the single quotes. From which table? From employee table, where to_care of here date comma month. Which month? The month is January. These are the two employees who are joined in the month of Jan. Next we have to work with another query. List all distinct jobs. Now we have to know what are the distinct jobs which are included in the employee table. What is the query? The query is select job from employee table. These are the 5 jobs which are in the employee table. One clerk, salesman, president, manager, analyst. These are the employee names alphabetically department wise. డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వైజ్ అంటే మనకి ఆర్డర్ బై అనే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ కావాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఆర్డర్ బై ఫ్రమ్ ఎంప్లాయీ టేబుల్. నౌ we have to use the order by department wise. So order by department number in ascending order. Default it will be in ascending order. Now we have to see in descending order. Ascending order DESC. So this is the ascending order and this is the descending order. So we have to work with another query. List employee names having an experience more than 15 years. What is the query? Ename comma round off months underscore between sysdate comma hide date by 12 means to avoid the floating values. From which table? From employee table, where the condition is the same. Control C, Control V, greater than 15 years. So sysdate control spelling mistake. Control V. These are the employees who has greater than 15 years experience. Now we have to work with another query. What is the query? List max cell, min cell and average cell. Tell me the query. Select max of cell comma min of cell comma average cell. From which table? From employee table. This is the query. This is the max cell, this is the min cell and this is the average cell. Now we have to work with another query. Display a given date as string in different formats. We have number of formats. Let's see one by one. Select toChar underscore sysdate comma first formatted DDSP MONTH year This is one of the format from where we have to get from DL. This is the one format. Then another format is select to underscore char of sysdate comma dd mon yy. This is another format. What is the sorry, we have to get from this from DL. DL means computer. Please getting from the computer. The date is sysdate. The current system date is July 9th 2021. So we have to deep in think with these queries in next session.